et ekraan on praegu veel see pilt, aga häält on kuulda. Hello. Let's see. Welcome everybody. Let's see. Right now it seems to be okay, so it seems that we are live. I'm gonna check it also from my other source. And let's see what this is gonna show. If you can see us live already, if you started watching at the time when it actually started, then yeah, we are definitely live. So congratulations and welcome to the trading show, or to the podcast right now. So we were just talking about trading before that we are trading live, but yesterday we actually understood or realized it's kind of a podcast. So we have like a trading podcast in here. Me and Antti is somewhere missing, don't know where he was going, but we are right now looking at the charts and learning how to do better trades, how to make some money, and how to actually learn to trade better. So I have been trading over the years in cycles. I have done a couple of cycles and made very good results, but also made very big losses. And for me, the mission in here is just to become better trader and look for better entries. So if you're the kind of person like me, whose trades are always in a minus, or like 70-80% of the time always in a minus before it's gonna make you a profit, then definitely there is something to learn also for you in here. So we're learning together, and we are doing all the trades in live. We have also our chat, what is in the descriptions. If you go under the video, you're gonna see also the chat into Telegram. You should jump in and check it out also what is happening in there, because we're giving out the trading ideas, signals. We're talking about trading, we're talking about challenges, and next challenge is gonna happen also very, very soon. I already did some videos, by the way, Antti, and I did not post it yet. I will later review it, and I will post also something. But basically we have a challenge when we are gonna trade for 30 days in a row. And well, it's not really 30 days in a row, because we're not gonna trade in the weekends, so the market is closed on the weekends. But we are gonna do like trading from Monday to Friday every day, 1 month in a row, and making profits together. Doesn't cost you anything to join. The only thing what you need a trading account. We are trading with a broker called Star Trader, and we have chosen this to many reasons, but you can do your research also yourself. It is one of the best brokers definitely in the world, where everything is moving very smoothly and everything is good. Very good reputation, high reputation, and trustworthy. So we are trading in there, and we also invite you to come in there and do this together with us. So we all join into the same broker. We are using the same broker. We put the money on the account. Minimum what you should have is $200. When you have 200, you're gonna get, in most of the regions, you're getting $200 extra. So you're gonna get 100% bonus right now. It is 100%, right, Antti? Yes.
Yep.
So still is running campaign where you're getting 100% extra the trading credit. What it means that you are getting actually real money into your account as a bonus for the first sign up. You are not able to withdraw this extra 200, but when you have 2 times more money in the account and you're making trades, then your profits are gonna be 2 times bigger. So it means that if you would, let's say with $200, you would make, let's say $5 per day. If it's a profitable day, let's say $5 to $10, then now you have $400 in the account, and you're gonna make like $15-20 in a profitable days profit, right? And of course from there we are starting to accumulate. So that's the idea of this trading bonus, and this is gonna remain. It's gonna be in your account like exactly like a real money, and your initial money, of course, like what you put in the broker, if you have never done it before, This is freely withdrawable anytime. You can also go out. If you see 3 days, you are trying to do it, you already deposit something, 3 days later you feel, okay, trading is not for me, I better put this this money for drinking in a Friday in a bar, buying 3 shots or 4 shots, then you can do that. You can take it out and go party and have a best life, in in a club. But on Monday you're gonna have a realization that you're not gonna have anymore anything in your trading account. You're not gonna have extra income, and you're gonna be a brokey like you like you were before. So if you want to change that and you don't want to have like this kind of life for yourself, then definitely trading might be one of these like very good extra income opportunities what you can create for yourself. But one thing what you need to also realize is that if you start trading yourself, it's gonna take time before you're gonna be good, and I don't mean time in weeks or not even months. It's gonna take definitely months and probably years before you're gonna be a good trader. And this means only that also that you're actually learning, not just trying to put orders in or copying somebody else's trades. So the shortcut for there is also existing, and shortcut is to trade as a community. We are trading together. You don't know nothing, for example, or you're not very good trader, or you're making a lot of losses. Okay, come join the channel. We are gonna show you also how to do it, and you're gonna have way bigger chance that you're gonna generate extra income out of this. In a losing days, you're not gonna lose whole account or anything like that, and the losing days are gonna come. But if you do it exactly what we show also for you, the worst days, you're gonna lose, maybe 4 or 5% of your account, and that's it, and then next days again we are gonna make a profit again. So that's the purpose why we're here and why we're doing what we're doing. So yeah, Antti, if you want to add something or you want to talk about setup also, we can.
Yeah, I was just analyzing the market. So we didn't get our buy entry that we were originally eyeing for yesterday.
Yeah.
As you can see here, it rallied up yesterday throughout the Asia session.
Yeah.
It consolidated throughout London, and New York actually pushed it up. And Asia again expanded upwards.
Okay.
So what we can expect again from London, it can consolidate down into this breakout zone. That would be the target to go into longs again. We wanted to do exact same move, but it didn't come enough, and we missed this good buy setup over here. I think that's kind of a outlook for gold today, to get into a buy position somewhere. At the same time, it also, as you remember, I think what day is today? Today is Wednesday. So on Monday we were talking that this strong trend line had been pushing gold down, and once it breaks through, it will most likely take out these higher highs or resting liquidity, and this is exactly what gold did. Unfortunately, we couldn't monetize in this push up. But yeah, I think now, since we have been consolidating quite some time, nearly a month, still in the same range, so we can expect that eventually it will break up. But yeah, let's see what today's session is gonna bring. I'm still scanning a little bit the pairs. I will go shortly over the GBP pairs as well.
Cool stuff. Let's not miss these trades like we were missing yesterday.
I mean, yesterday we wanted to have a very good risk-reward ratio. We could have just jumped in also from just this random area and targeting the upwards, but that wouldn't fit with our risk management.
Cool.
So let me have it now.
Yeah, have a look.
So yesterday, what we analyzed on GBP NCD, for example, there was an opportunity, but we didn't have any pending orders waiting for us. So you remember yesterday I said that this would have been pretty good trade. Yeah, we would have collected like 30 pips, I think. Yeah, 39 pips, which is not bad at all.
Uh-huh.
But I was afraid that this setup is not going to hold and it's going to be taken out. So that's why we didn't take it here. And eventually it got taken out. And now this higher entry setup, that would have been also very good entry because we could have collected 47 pips. But this happened, yeah, last night, late at the night. So I wasn't trading anymore, so we missed that setup over here. But the analysis was good. Price got rejected pretty much spot on in the fair value gap. That was also opening cap plus the trend line. So little to no drawdown, it would have banked us 47 pips, which is like on 0.1 lot, that would have been around $40, which is very good profit. Now, putting this aside, what can we see? Since it also broke the trend line, I think the trend is finally reversed and it can have a little bit up push. But let's see.
Ardi, by the way, these comments, can I read it, Ardi? Right now you're watching the thing, but you wrote to me. You can also next time write into the YouTube directly. But tell me if I can say live also or not.
What?
Wait, let's see. Let's see if he's gonna respond. It's about It's about waiting.
Okay.
Okay, it seems that he's not responding, so I'm gonna tell. So he's saying that I hope that you guys are gonna make some transaction also today. Antti said that the trading is a waiting game. I was thinking it's more like a big steel construction welding, that sparks are flying around and real work is going on. And we can see also some kind of result, not just watching into the abyss the whole time, hours, you know. So that's kind of his message.
You know, it really depends on the trading style. I mean, if we are going to just scalp, maybe, I don't know, 20 pips, 30 pips on gold, we could scalp on a very small time frame, like 5 minutes or 1 minute, and try to do lots of trades. But
Sure.
that's not kind of my trading strategy. I know a lot of people have a lot of different strategies, but I'm the way how I think and see trading is that the more trades you do, the more higher probability is that the next one will be stop loss. So I want to get in and out of market quickly, kind of quickly. I mean, I want to do as less or as little trades as possible, because then it is a lower chance that the next setup will fail. For example, if I take on one trade a day, two trades a day, there is a very high chance that both of them will be TP.
Yeah.
But if I take 10 trades a day, there is a high probability that 3 or 4 trades can be stop loss, you know? So, and this strategy works really well on a small account, because on small accounts you want to take very precise trades. So also GBP USD, I was looking this area, what's it gonna do, and unfortunately it actually broke this area and made a drop down when I didn't trade anymore, because it didn't do this move while we were trading. But this would have been pretty good trade setup as well. Made a nice third touch or fourth touch in the trend line, and then broke down, break of structure, and took out this liquidity here and also this resting liquidity over here. So that would have pretty good short opportunity. And now it's just kind of sideways movement, consolidation, nothing happening much. So if we want to trade, let's say GU, we would like to see a break to the upwards or downwards, and then we could take potentially a trade setup.
Yes. By the way, Ardi, we also don't just like to sit in one place and wait. And this is probably one of the hardest things about trading. But the main thing is to learn to make a research yourself. Is not the goal in here that you guys come to see the live. It's just that you wait while we are waiting, but also that you would see what we are looking and what we are searching, what is the analysis what we're making, because it's like today looking that basically out of everything what we do, I think 99% is analysis, when to go into the trade and to see like if the signs are showing the confirmation or not, if it is in the right way, which doesn't mean that it's gonna be guaranteed, but it's gonna have a very high chances that the trade is gonna be successful. So if you have not done analysis, then I can guarantee that your trading account is in minus. At least most of the time, if not overall balance. And if you want to change that, you want to have positive trades, then you need to learn how to do the entries in the right place. And sure, if you're a little bit ADHD type of person who wants everything quickly, like me, then definitely it's gonna be hard, but not impossible. So I want to send something. Okay.
Oh, look at this in Trade Ideas chat.
Yeah.
You know this Trade Ideas guy, he's doing really good.
Is it your chat or the other chat? The big chat?
I'm talking about our main chat. So in the Trade Ideas topic, there is this guy who is mainly doing analysis on 4-hour time frame or 1 hour, on BTC USD, DEXI US30, sometimes XTI USD. But his 4-hour analysis usually has a massive stop loss, and it's kind of a swing trade, right? But now he just posted that from today we will start scalping on gold only. Details: 3 to 5 gold scalping signals per day, scalping time in Asian session and London session. Risk 1%, funded account 0.5%, max risk from your capital, risk reward 1-to-1 and 1-to-2. Okay, that's cool.
That message itself, it sounds like you.
I mean, lately he has been doing scalping.
I mean, like so many details about so simple thing. Not in a bad way. I mean, just like analytical guy.
So he's also looking for the same buy entry actually that I'm looking over here. He's looking 4,084 to 78. I was looking also 84 and 78. Yeah, about the same range. I'm actually looking for a good buy. But again, price might not come that far. So actually, that was here also a demand zone that it wicked through, got rejected. Now it's pushing up a little bit. So, I mean, London session is a stupid session because if Asia is expanding on gold, then London usually does freaking nothing. It's just range bound movement, no clear expansion like what we see here. London expanded 600 pips, and London can just do maybe 100 pips movements, which is usually basically nothing. So yeah, that's a little bit challenge. How many people we have on?
How many people? We have 4 people watching right now.
Okay, cool.
We are looking for a buy. So for everybody who is new ones in here right now, we're looking for a buy place. So we don't want to do it right now because right now it's too high. The market itself is bullish past, I think, since Monday morning. So last week for us was extremely profitable. Sup? So last week was extremely profitable, at least for me. I started with $200 account and I had almost 300 by the end of the week. Not doing any like crazy risky moves or anything. I trade only with 0.01 lot. Doing all the trades what Antti was doing. But because the account size was so small, that's why the profit also percentage was higher. Now, who was here yesterday also, you see how I lost how I lost all my winnings in one go just yesterday morning when I come into the live call and I know that I have a very good balance in the account. I made a discovery that unfortunately I have left some sales orders in from Wednesday last week, and I did not take it out. So and I wake up with the losses basically. So nothing to do with our trading, but it's just like very stupid mistake of mine. But I hope that every one of you is gonna learn from. So don't do this mistake. Don't leave your orders in, and don't when you don't pay attention what's going on. So yeah, if there is also some people who are watching and who is like yeah, I really want to do like automatic trading, I don't want to trade myself and blah 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 whatever, these kind of things are also possible. So there is plenty of options how to do the copy trade. We have also one option, like when you guys are interested, then just put it into the chat or come into the Telegram group and say like, hey, it's like I have this kind of idea, like I'm working the whole day, I'm interested about this, but you know, cannot do it. And then we have this automatic option as well. Production definitely is not gonna be as big as yours, but your money is always in your account, accessible fully to whatever you want. Let's see, I have some kind of treat coming for me. What's that? That's good. You wanna make me hungry or what? Thank you so much. Maja crap. Okay. So anyway, we are moving right now right direction. Pretty long way to go still. So if you're right now looking, then it's not gonna happen in 5 minutes. Probably we can. I'm
actually thinking. I'm thinking maybe we can target some cells.
Yeah. I was thinking about it also when we come into the call in the beginning. Then we were talking about this already. But you tell, Antti, you are gonna tell the confirmation. Because I agree also with you, I would already go before when you would be a green light, but I know you're conservative one, so I'm not doing without your approval. Boom, 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 boom. What is Antty doing? So we have right now persistently, let's say 2, 3, 4, 5 people in the call, which is way better than it was before. So that definitely means that our quality and everything is getting better. People are happier.
Yeah.
We're not gonna go away in the sense also that we're gonna do it for a while. So I don't know what we should put first in this kind of concept. Let's see, we're gonna do like how many? 2 months, let's say. We do 2 months, 2 months live calls like this, and if 2 months is not gonna improve, if we still have like 5 to 10 people by that time, then we can say that this concept doesn't work. Then we need to like change a little bit the way. But I think overall is like taking also 1 week or 2 weeks is too less of example to actually, you know, decide something. One very beautiful thing or good thing what is happening now, you know, is that I'm kind of like forced to do the trading also or to come on this live call because I already have announced and already promised. So even if I feel that shit, like I will do something else, you know, then I have like okay 2 hours at least in a day I need to trade together with Antty and look it through and take the time off from everything else to be focused in here. So also fun, you know, we can talk, we can make videos, we can look at the chart, drink coffee in here, you know, what's easier than that, you know, when you're making money also do at the same time, then it's beautiful, or don't you think?
I agree.
Yes,
I agree.
I actually had this plan already a long time ago when I had this exchange launch. Then I also was planning to do this kind of thing. I kind of started as well, and did also a couple of them, but eventually we had at that time the problem with the exchange. We did not gain enough momentum. We didn't gain enough momentum, and the running cost of exchange that time was so big. Just I could not afford to keep it losing for I don't know 4 months in a row or something like that, and I needed to close it down. But you know, a lot of businesses what we have tried. We never tried the influencer business, and right now it's like if you're looking, then most of these guys who are famous, they're not very like how they say in a nice way. There are some channels where there is people also with the brains and who are doing really good videos and they are like pretty famous, but the most famous ones they're not very intelligent, and the production whatever they're doing is like I don't know. I understand that most of the people who are sitting in a computer, you know, they just want to watch somebody building a Roblox world, you know, and doing some kind of brain rot activities, but this is not I know it works, and if we would do Antty, I think coding this Roblox videos, I think we would be famous also. We would definitely have right now 1,000 viewers already, but you know, it's not going together anymore with our principle or nor our age. so yeah, let's do it.
People just want to get entertained, that's it.
Yeah, entertained and drama. You know, especially when we're taking like these American YouTubers, like, you know, it's kind of like an Indian Bollywood movie. Everything is like, there is simple things are like so over exaggerated that and so much dramatized, like so much dramatic. Somebody, I don't know, whatever. It's like I don't even know how to bring an example right now, but it's like it's basically what sells in there. What sells in YouTube mostly. Maybe we should do it still, yeah? Trading is too boring. like Ardi said before, that we need to that he wants to see some sparks. But what happened right now is like what time frame you're looking? 15 minutes. I made pretty good drop, but why we not going inside still into sell?
I think it's still too early. I just had an alert that I had set up on AUD JPY, but the price didn't quite tap in yet, and it actually bounced off from here and went up. This is a little bit bad.
So bad. Who is enjoying on this charts, on this chart stretching? I'm creating a new screen right now while you're doing that thing. A little redundancy. In case.
So PPI on GBP came in hot. So no, that's previous consensus action. This is so weird. CPI actual 2.6, core CPI 2.6, PPI -2, and
okay. I just find a way how to connect the phone into this.
to where?
How to put a phone and phone camera into OBS.
I think we have a potential buy over here.
Okay, say the word. Okay, guys, be ready. Be ready. We have a potential buy.
But on GBP USD, but I'm
GBP USD. Japanese.
But it's still not confirmed. What we need a 50-minute candle to break through this structure over here.
Okay. Sure. What happened?
Nothing.
Okay, Antti, talk. Share your thoughts
Just looking markets.
while you're analyzing. This is the reason why people are here.
I mean, for example, what I can see in GBP USD, it's very clear market structure. We already dropped a lot, and on a high time frame based on 4 hour, we actually took out some liquidity over here, got rejected. 4 hours was bullish. We can expect to hit higher. Potentially, we could collect around 20 to 30 pips. Let me check on the daily. Okay, daily is not looking so nice, but still, let me see. So on 15, I want to see this candle to close through this consolidation range that has been forming since New York and Asia. So this is Asia high. I remember last year, not last year, 5 years ago, we were only trading Asia on London session breakout. So we always, what we do, we marked down Asia high, Asia low, the first 15 or 30-minute candle that closes through either side, we go in instantly. And the stop loss was 40 pips, TP was 20 pips, and we were banking money almost every single day. So this is kind of similar situation. I want to see the 15-minute to close through, then we go into buys. And we target about 20 pips. We will risk 1%. I mean, I will risk 1%, so I will get 1%. You're gonna get $20. That's like 10% because the account is so small. But it hasn't broken yet, and it cannot. Maybe it's not breaking. Maybe it's just sweeping liquidity, coming back down, and as soon as it breaks, then we go into longs. Because based on the daily, we are very bearish. So either way, we're looking for a strong push up or down, and that's our entry model. We want 15-minute candle to close through the structure. So basically, this will be a long. Targeting this potentially. And this will be our sell when it's gonna close through. Oh, that's wrong. So let's see. That's one potential setup that I'm waiting for to happen. And then let's see what else we have. I can actually put the sessions. Where's the sessions? Sessions. We have here. Okay, and GBP NCD, we can also take similar approach actually. Where's the talk? Yeah, this is. This is Tokyo high. Actually, no. This is Tokyo high. So potential buy on GBP NCD. I think we can go in on GBP NCD.
Mm-hmm. sul on mega scroll praegu vist, mis sa teed, sest su ekraan läks maru tuhmiseks. maru ägune.
okei. ma ei tea. ei teinud midagi. So GBP NCD, let's go in.
GBP NCD. Okay, tell the trade exactly what we're doing.
GBP NCD buy, stop loss 2 point, basically below the 5 minute swing low, 19 pips, 2.29742.
GBP NCD buy. What is the lot size for this one?
0.1.
0.1 with a small account.
Yep.
Okay. Buy. Buy is done, and tell also please the stop loss again.
2.29726.
29706, yeah?
26.
26. And take profit. What we aiming?
Wait. So the risk is $14, and the TP I have set right now about 29 pips, so 2.30,210.
2.3
You can
0
my screen or what?
2 1 10.
Can you see my screen?
Yes, but when I'm in OBS I can see it very small. That's why I'm asking you.
Okay. It's 2.30215.
2.30215. Modify. Done. We are in the trade right now. So for everybody who wanted to see the building and everything, you know, right now is the time to go to the trade. If you want to do the same trade as we are doing. So right now mine is just a little bit in minus. And it can go to minus just much more before it's gonna kick out if it's gonna go wrong way. But right now we were making a buying order on GBP NZD, so Great Britain pound and New Zealand dollar, and buy. I have account size about $250 right now, and I did it with a 0.1 lot, not 0.01 but 0.1. It's different from the gold, where we are using smaller lot sizes because the currency pair value itself is very different.
So I entered 0.248, 0.9 lots on this one. Okay, USD failed to break.
USD failed to break, that's good.
Oh, gold is
Come on, but this is where we needed to short already before. Are we gonna?
No, we actually wanted to get into the higher time, a little bit up, but we didn't get it. I wanted to see it on 30 minutes.
So the case is that we don't see the confirmation, but what about your indicator? So because your indicator is showing like in every time frame a lot of bearish arrows.
So on 30 minutes, as you can see, I was looking to tap into this bearish order block,
yeah,
but it didn't. It dropped sooner. So I wanted to have an entry around 4126, because on 1 hour it's also a bearish order block, So I wanted the price to retest this area, fill some more orders, but it did not at this moment.
And now it's too late to go in. I mean, we could have like 200 pips already from the not actually so much, but
that would have been 130 pips, by the way.
130. Yeah, from the moment when we come in and we start talking about it. But
yeah,
there is always not the confirmation, so we cannot also take all of the trades if we want to do less risky. But if you like to risk, you can always put in when you see opportunity, then you can go in also. But you need to accept that you're gonna have much more losses as well. So what we are trying to do is that to do it very carefully, calculate the trades, making only one trade maybe per day, maybe sometimes two, and that's it. You know, less hassle. And eventually save money in the hand. You see this right now the GBP NCD is going now into plus, so okay, now it's first time went through the entry point and started to grow right now in the direction where would be very magical for us. And now we wait. We are also looking the other charts, what is gonna happen, but basically the only thing what needs to be done is like if we have one good trade setup, then that's it already. We can do a trade, we make a profit from that, and then you finish, you go close the computer and you go and enjoy life. And that would be like totally enough. At least it is enough for me. If I can get one good trade per day is good. Like if I'm able to do it during this session when we are live, that's hallelujah, you know. That's amazing. Yes. What are you thinking what we're gonna do with the gold?
I'm looking on the 15-minute. Maybe it comes to tap into this.
I'm thinking also that it's gonna probably go back to that one. Or it might be that if it's gonna go through that, then it's gonna be still continuing very bullish move. Most probably. Or what do you think? Because it's like if you're taking the lower, the lows in 15-minute and 30-minute chart, then we are like a third low in this uptrend.
I mean, what I'm looking actually is this. So let me close my calendar. So on 4 hourly,
yeah,
what I can see here is that we actually, I have now here a lot of lines drawn, but basically we filled this massive gap that was happening 13th of July. We also took out this 4-hour liquidity area, and that's also kind of a structure point that it respected. We just swept the liquidity and instantly got reversed. There is also a chance that the price now starts to dump heavy because all this move now also needs to be balanced out. Let me check on the, if I check here, yeah, still, I mean, this could come very deep actually. So I would love to get into a sell, but I don't know exactly yet where. In the, I think the low risk would be to try to get in from here, only 80 pips stop loss. That would be nice.
True.
And target potentially this area here or potentially lower. So yeah, on gold, I think we just need to wait a little bit more.
Quick question, Antti. All of these 4 trades, what is right now ongoing, what is in the lower side of your screen, are these from GBP NCD?
Yep.
All from there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Clear. Continue your analysis.
So GN is pushing nicely from our entry. That's solid.
GN is good. Also for me, is like I can see that my account already getting back to profit. Your call ends in 9 minutes, Antti. What the heck is that?
I think it's because I added the third person and then because I switched from Safari to Chrome, maybe because of that.
Okay, if it's gonna stop, then just come in, send me the new link because the live is gonna continue, and everything is gonna continue still. So no problem. No problem. Let's see now. So guys, if you're new in here and you have not seen, then the recap is actually very simple. We are right now in the trade of GBP NCD on buy, and we are looking right now a sell, trade or short, whichever vocabulary you want to use. We're looking short trade of gold, but we are not sure yet if to go in right now or wait a little bit more until it's gonna come a little bit more up before we are able to go in. So this is where we're standing today. Antti's trades also you can see on the screen. Mine are right now still in my phone, so I have not been doing the transition, but I will do it also in next live calls. I have right now, it's like my computer is so overloaded right now. There is so many programs what is open, and this streaming stuff is taking also a lot of resource. Different AIs and programs and illustrators and stuff what is running in the background. So let's see. So if you didn't go to the trade with the NCT yet, GBP NCT, then it seems that you have another possibility because we are again in the same place as we were before. And this is kind of how it is, like, you know, when we're doing the trades. I see right now Antti's numbers, he was like $50 in a plus approximately in one moment already, like 1 minute ago. Now he's in a zero. Maybe 1 minute later he's gonna be minus $10 until, you know, eventually it's gonna be plus 100, you know. And this is just a waiting game. We need to be just patient and wait it out if the setup still stands, of course. But it can be also like this, that it's gonna make a minus and it's gonna go to stop loss. There is also different things what you can do about it also, but I would tell from my personal experience is that if you are using only one strategy, is way more effective than learning a lot and trying to do like everything. So one very basic strategy is good. Like if you have everything in place, you know where you're doing the setup entry and where is the exit and where is the stop loss, and you're not gonna change it, so you're not starting to hedge it or play any kind of games on top of it. It's like it's way better, and I think you're gonna stay way more profitable. At least I'm staying more profitable like this. See, if I would do it in my old way, the trades, I might be much more in a plus, might be much more in a minus, might be also liquidated. So who knows? One thing is for sure, that I don't want to do the same things again. So losing is not good. Like even if you have money in a bank account and you can afford to lose, it still feels bad. Even if you're losing $50 or $100 and you have $10,000 in the bank, it still doesn't feel good, right? So let's make risk management in the right way. Oh, what's happening here? GBP USD it was, yeah?
I'm just looking.
That had also very strong no, this is already it has been in that area for a long time.
So NCD is currently not doing much yet. JPY dropped. JPY CAD. I'm thinking of maybe we can get into a sell, but not certain yet. What's the
And what you waiting in there?
Just looking, just basically waiting what the hourly and 30-minute and 50-minute candle
Yeah.
close will look like.
Let's go. Okay, so if something happens right now with the connection, because anytime I think there is something what is gonna happen with Antti's video connection, so he needs to reconnect. He might be away for 1 or 2 minutes, then don't panic. We're definitely gonna be back. Like the live is gonna stay open, so don't worry about that. Also, I can actually do also this that I am gonna make. OBS Studio. Whoever was.
I think it's called trade. Damn it. Let's go into gold sell now.
Gold sell now. Tell the numbers.
I get enter market.
Important that you're gonna, if you have a small account, then you don't put 0.1, but you put 0.01 lot when you go back to gold. And we make a sell order.
Stop loss 137 pips above the 50-minute high week.
Which means in money.
You can drag and drop on the phone, no? It's so simple.
I don't know how to do that.
What do you mean?
That's what I mean.
You're on the chart, you put in the sell. You put market, right? To sell it. Then you click on the trade.
I don't put the chart in sell.
Look at this.
1 second,
Wait.
I will do the sell first. Okay, tell.
You are on the chart, right?
No.
So when you enter the trade, you just
No,
put market
I
sell.
never do it like this. I go it under the
No,
trade.
listen now. Don't do this. You click on the trade. Look now the chart. Look now. You click on the trade. Then in the bottom you have SL. You click on the SL and then it appears, and then you just drag it above the week high.
Okay, smart ass. Now it's getting eliminated. Okay, Antti went out for a moment. He's gonna be back. His room ended, so he did like some kind of thing in the beginning where we put more people, and it seems that there is a limit. Let me see. We are right now in a trade. Okay, new link has arrived, and let's do it. Copy. Let's do it. So we have tried also different like streaming services in here to see what has like a better quality and better signal, and we actually discovered that Google Meet is the best one to do it 2 hours at the same time. So let's see now. As well, host should be in any moment. And with the gold we were doing a sale, and with the GBP NZD we were making a buy. Let's see how it is going right now. GBP NZD is doing very well. Gold right now sell is still opportunity to go into the same trade as we are.
kuuled?
Ma kuulen.
GBP CAD sell now.
GBP CAD sell now. And let's take numbers. Sell. What lot size?
You put 0.05.
GBP CAD. .05 going in.
Stop loss 1.88831.
1.88831. And profit? No, not yet.
Right now open.
And sell. Okay. GBP CAD went inside. So I have right now 3 standing orders. GBP CAD sell with 0.05 lots, and went in with a price of 1.88533. The stop loss is 1.88831. If you guys also, if you need the numbers again, you can put it in the chat box in case you didn't get it. Then we are in right now in a very nicely profitable trade already today. We are in GBP NZD, went in with a 2.29944, and the target is 2.30215, and stop loss is 2.29726. With the gold we are right now in a minus, which means that you still have a possibility to go into the trade, and even better one than us, as we went into sell with 0.01 lot size. When you have a small account, we went in with 4,000, so 4109 with the price, and we are stop loss was how many pips you said? For gold
5.
1.09 läksin sisse. 1.50 panen siis või?
Kullast räägid või?
Jah. 29.
Stop loss on muidu 423,7, aga ma arvan, et tegelikult me peaks kõrgemale panema.
420, okay, so 412.
Kent, just in case, we actually should have a higher stop loss.
Yeah.
So we are protected with a higher a higher order block as well. So basically it's 200 pip stop loss on gold. That would mean for me 1% risk. Right now it's 0.8. So let's put the stop loss 4,136.4.
4136.4. I will put 4.4 as well. And do we put take profit? I think we don't need right now yet.
Yeah.
Take profit open. Okay, so one trade is right now going on our direction. You cannot go into that right now. But GBP CAD, you can go in, still sell. So we are a little bit slightly in a minus still. And gold USD also we are slightly in a minus, and the sell order you can also go still inside. So I went with 4109 into gold sell. If you want to do the same trades, obviously, like, and this is not a financial advice or anything, just check it out. If you want to do the trades together with us, you can. Nobody's forcing you to do it. Antti, my camera is like labeled slightly wrong place if you look at the screen.
Oh yeah. Because I have this chat open over here.
And it seems that you guys also have a possibility to go to GBP NZT buy maybe as well. So it seems that it's dropping again into the same place, or maybe we should go out. Who knows? We just praying the God and hoping.
I mean, 1 hour had a very nice push. So right now it's taking out some liquidity. So I think a healthy retracement will be good. I just hope that our stop loss is not too tight. But yeah.
What is the trade what you have minus 49 right now in there? By the minus 55. That's the gold. That's gold, right?
Yeah. I might be too small lot sizes on the GBP pairs on this account.
Maybe, and we might be a little bit too early to go into the gold as well.
Maybe. So GN is running. GU actually just swept the liquidity, I'm checking. But still, I mean, that would be maybe, yeah, let's see.
Okay,
Yeah,
if you also did the trade, by the way, for the future, if you did the trade and you made a profit, then also please leave a comment under the live. And also come and join the group. If you did not make a profit, you can still come and leave comment. You can say, hey, it's like, look, these setups are so bad. And whatever you need to say, you say it, we're not gonna get offended. You can always give a recommendation as well if you know better, or if you have some setups. You know what, if you have some setups yourself and you're doing some trades or you're planning to buy something, you can put it also in the chat. Hey, I'm gonna buy this.
Look at this now.
Yeah,
I just put on the indicator on GCAD as well. And it is a beautiful 1 hour order block protecting us over here. So that's a good thing.
it is. Okay. Good, we are in a good place now with chilling. I'm jamming to you. Jamming.
I'm just making sure that all my trades has a stop loss. Yep. Okay, so
Okay, so GBP Canadian dollar right now is going into neutral bond for us. What was our entry? We have a sell order, so if somebody wants to go in with the same trade, then I went in sell GBP CAD or British pound Canadian dollar 1.88533. I went inside, sell order with 0.05 lot, 5 lot, right? And take profit right now is 1.88 5. Sorry, there is no take profit. There is stop loss 1.88831. So the other one entity is also in plus, and gold sell with 0.01 lot size. I went in with 4109, which is a little bit still in the minus, but we are pretty confident that this is gonna drop, so we are gonna stay in. And yeah, that's the setup right now. 3 trades. I actually, in this account, I don't even have more liquidity to make another trade. So I have right now.
Oh yeah, I forgot that.
Yeah, no, it's okay. If one until one of them, at least one of the 3 orders is positive, positive is okay. So with 200.
Hey Kent, I really like your layout.
You like my layout?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. $100 I will send to you also.
You made it yourself?
Yeah. Made myself. I'm not making anything myself.
You used AI?
I have agents for everything. I only use the agents. The only things what I'm doing, I'm only doing the workflows. Okay, actually, it's like I need to read a lot as well, but most of the stuff is with the workflows, and this, yeah, also with AI as well. But this one is like
cool.
very fast one.
Send me this also. It's really nice.
Okay, I will send you. I will send you.
Looks really nice. The only thing that is off a little bit is our names. You need to put this above.
Let me see. Let's see how it is showing.
On the OBS, you need to just put the layer up, you know. Plus also the trades section. Well, it's not showing how it should be showing.
What do you see that the names? What is wrong with the names?
Our names?
Yeah. Kent Antty. It's in a very good
Kent
place.
Antty. It's hidden under the cameras.
Ah, what cameras? Where do you see that?
Wait, I show you.
Ah, okay. I understand what you mean. You mean for the webcams, yeah?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. So because I only drag and put it on top, so I did not really modify the layers very well, because this doesn't have the transparent these holes inside. I need to make it. I need to make it because
you can make it easily, by the way. The way how I did it is that you make a transparent picture, basically with these boxes just around the trading view and the cameras.
Yeah.
And then you add it as a layer into OBS, and then you put it basically the first layer, so the cameras and everything will be behind it.
Now it's like easy to do. Also, even you can ask from a GPT or something. You send this picture and say that make these holes transparent, and this can send you back PNG, so you don't need to do anything yourself.
Okay.
But
by the way,
I did not do it.
Look.
Next time.
So I can see that we are trying to break through this bearish order block, but again on 30 minutes it gave us a very solid buy. So even without an indicator, I'm doing very good analysis. But yeah, let's see. I would like to see this. Most likely, maybe it comes back to our buy zone and then reverses back up. And I would like to target the basically, up to 40 pips would be the TP. We can actually set it right now. We can put 2.30.
7 people in live, by the way, right now. Happy to have you guys in here.
Okay. Yeah, I just posted also in my group. So on GN, we can set the TP, and that would be 2.3035. 350. Yeah.
Okay. We don't do break even?
Not yet.
Too early?
Yeah, because there's a high chance that it's gonna come back to our buy zone.
Okay. Anyway, so for everybody else, meanwhile, we have 8 people online, so that's good. We have 3 orders right now in. One of them is GBP KED, so Canadian dollars, British pound Canadian dollar. I have it with a small account. I started with $200 account, and I have the lot size is 0.05 for Canadian dollar GBP, and we have a sell order, and we are right now just into 0 point. So if you want to do the same trade, you can go in right now. Still, my sell price was 1.88533, and stop loss is 1.88831. Then we have GBP NCD, so British pound and New Zealand dollar. I have a buy order with 0.1 lot size, and the price what I bought with is 2.29944, and stop loss is 2.29726. Take profit for that is 2.30350. And then we have this unlucky gold in here with a 0.01 lot size. When we went into sale, then the price was 4109, and you have a good chance to make also the same trade what we are doing if you want to do it, because right now it is in a minus for us, as you see also from the screen. Our trades also, Antti is showing our trades also what we are doing in live, what they are actually doing. So the ones what is red, these are the ones where you can still go in, basically. So which is the gold one, and we are in a sell gold 0.01 lot. And stop loss is 4136.4. Take profit we still don't have, so we're gonna decide that later. Anyway, right now this is the stats. These are the stats actually. We have been here 1 hour and 20 minutes, so we have right now made 3 trades. One of them is in a minus, one of them is in a plus, and one is like neutral right now. Maybe I will do this, that I will leave you guys in here for a moment. I will go and make myself a coffee, a refill for the fuel, and then I will be back in 2 minutes or something. Antti, you can speak meanwhile.
See also what we have in a line. How can I see it? I cannot. Okay. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions, shoot. As Kent said, we are in 3 different trades. Gold, trying to get a sell over here. Maybe also a little bit analysis behind this decision making is because on 4 hour we actually took out the previous high. I will show you here. On 4 hour we took out the previous high. We had a very bullish run for the last 2 days. So we broke this trend line. And in Monday's live, I also said that once we break it, we most likely go and take out this high, this gap fill, and potentially this high up to here. But right now we see that on 4 hour we just swept it. Now we are it's consolidating, but we are trying to catch the sell to the downwards, potentially back to this area over here. That would be approximately 180 pips. And maybe it even comes back lower. I was trying to catch my trade yesterday from this area, 4020 up to 42, that range. Actually, not 42, like 30, but it didn't come enough, so we missed today's push up. So let's see if we can catch it over here. I really hope that it doesn't break back above and these order blocks actually protect us as they should. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. And the other trades that we have GN, GBP NCD, and we are also in GBP CAD. We entered from here, and our stop loss is above the previous swing highs, basically above the Asia highs. So we're trying to catch the trade that it's gonna come into this liquidity area or back down here. On this, we are risking about less than 1%. And on GN, we are in buys. On buys. It broke the Asia high. Now it took out this high, and we are targeting the next high. Since it also broke this structure, broke the Asia high, most likely it will come back to test this area and then go back up again. So these are our 3 trades today.
Alright. What has happened in here between?
Kent, send me also this background.
Yes, uno segundo. Let me send you. But do you want me, maybe I will make this modification already right away. Give me just a second. I will let...
What modification? But you have here the date, May 21st. So you need to potentially change it every time.
Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna change that as well. That's a good note.
It should be just written there every day.
Yeah. Yes.
So we might have gone into the gold sell a little bit too early.
Well, might is definitely not the right way to say, because we're definitely too early. So whoever wants to go to gold sale, we are in a gold sale right now, and we are in a pretty decent minus, like 80 pips in a minus right now. So we went a little bit early inside, but we went with 4109. I went inside. I don't know what Antty used, but I'm $8 in a minus right now with a 0.01 lot size. So we would want to get it into other side, about $10 plus. That would be the goal today. With if you're using 0.01 lot size, then it's more or less, I think it is. How much we were putting the take profit? We were not putting the take profit yet. But let's say it's like if it's gonna go close to 100 pips, it's in a case of gold, it's about $10, and $10 would be very good to take from a small amount, like if you have a small account. And now all of my trades have lost their profit, so they're all red except GBP NCT, where you can actually go inside into buy. The rest two are sell orders. What's that setting we're looking at?
Just GBP pairs.
By the way, Antti, I told you that I have been using this one copy trade also from StarTrader One, this user, and I put $50 in there, and it already makes $60. It's already $60. So it's like in 2 weeks it has been trading $50 account into $60.
Okay.
In StarTrader.
What's it trading? What is it trading?
I have not checked. And I was just taking from the chart. Like I was looking what is the most popular ones, what have small drawdown and more followers. And I just choose one, and I was like, okay, 50 was limit, okay, I will trade.
Okay, that's good.
That is very good result, because it's what? No, then 20%, yeah?
What I'm thinking is that the capital is extremely small, so it's most likely not trading gold.
Don't know, but there is like some days when it's not coming at all, and some days it's coming like, let's say, $1, $2 extra. I have not been checking every day because it's like about 2 weeks in already. But all the time so far what I have used automatic trading there, none of them ever made made the profit, even if it's showing like a good trading days and 90 days or something like that. The moment when I go in, I already start like 1 week later already making a loss, you know. I tried so many bots and so many different stuff. If there is a real traders, that's a different thing, but okay, I will send you right now the one what I have. You can modify this. Because it needs, the other one needs a little bit more work. Oh. Okay, so right now all of the trades are negative right now. If I'm gonna show you also, I'm gonna share my screen as well. So if you can see all of the trades for me, actually I will put for a webcam for a moment, then you're able to see better. So my trades. So you can actually enter any of these trades as well. We have pretty well documented everything what we are doing. It's pretty common that trades are not going right away in the right direction or in the direction where we want. There is no wrong or right direction. But we have 3 trades in right now. My total right now loss out of the 3 trades is $14. So if I would cancel right now, I would decide that no, these setups are not good. But also, like from the other side, these are the things what we have been watching, looking the signs, looking the confirmation, and also because of that maybe going either too early or too late in to get just double confirmation. But the way how we trade in here is that we are not gonna just go on a hunch or look that okay, market is moving in that direction and we are gonna take a scalp or anything. We are trying to get at least 100 pip for the trade profit. So this is the goal, and also the goal is that we are gonna know exactly the setup already before it's gonna get there. So it's not gonna be like a quick fingers game. but we know already 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes before we're gonna take any kind of trade and why we're taking as well. And this is the thing also what you can learn in here, why I'm here, why Antty is here, who knows. Maybe there is nothing to do for him overall, he's just bored. Or maybe his ego is so big he wants to show in live that he's good. I can say that I'm not good. I'm not a good trader.
Trades are in now. We just wait. Nothing else.
And even though I'm not a good trader, I'm making profits. So if you're not good trader also, then don't worry. You're gonna make profits. You need to just keep yourself in the right environment. And don't do like a silly things like revenge trading, for example.
So let's see how this 30-minute order block holds up. My neck is a little bit better, but still a bit stiff.
Okay. It's okay. 5 people live right now. By the way, guys, we're very also happy that you guys are here. Argo Rai guy is coming from the work, I guess, because he said, "Ok, thanks for the trades. Lunch is over. Bye." I love this kind of guys. Come on. Oh, Antty.
What?
Okay. Nothing. I actually messed up myself. I was just looking right now at the screen that there is something off with the screen. So now it's okay. Learning every day that Zooms, whatever, Zoom lives are getting a little bit better. We're learning to use the technology a little bit better way as well. And Image 4. Let's see. Till last week. When did you start trading, Antti?
I would consider trading when I started Forex, but I started crypto in 2017.
Yeah.
But that was not kind of trading because you just buy low and sell high in spot. But trading 2020. In 2020, I started with Forex. I traded mainly currency pairs, GBP pairs back in the days, Euro USD. Very little amount of indexes. Then I traded for quite some time synthetic indexes, but there I had a different strategy. As I mentioned also in another call, I was mainly doing account flipping.
Yeah.
So it was very high risk. I
Yeah.
started with $200. Sometimes I blew up this 200, but very often I was cashing out $500,000 on average per day. And yeah, that was kind of a different strategy. And now I have been trading very actively gold for the last 1+ years.
Why did you start?
Stop what?
Why did you start trading? Not stop. Start.
I got very interested in the charts, price action. I can spend hours and hours just analyzing the market, trying to understand why it moves the way it moves. And yeah, I'm really passionate about it.
Your passion is showing. It seems like you're like a real Estonian way.
Typical Estonian.
Yeah, I'm burning
Typical
inside.
Estonian way.
I'm burning inside.
Stone face.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. That's the way how the Nordic people are. It reminds me of this event that I did very long time ago in Finland. We were collaborating with one company from Thailand. They wanted to bring this plastic to fuel concept into Europe.
Yeah.
And today they have a machine in Finland and some other European countries. But back then it was just an idea.
Yeah.
And we did an event, maybe 40, 50 people over there, potential investors and partners. And I spoke there, the company founder spoke there, and everybody didn't laugh, didn't clap. They were like stone faces. And I told that my partners that I think this is complete failure. They don't like it. And after the meeting or event, they came and said, "This is an amazing concept. We want to participate." I was like, "What the fuck?" But their face was throughout the event was like.
But it's the same in Estonia as well. Same in Estonia, kind of. Especially when you're coming back from Asia, it feels like what the heck is wrong with people? Why everybody's so mad?
Yeah. I know it's the cultural difference. it's a culture difference.
I don't know if it is culture difference or not, because if Estonians drink,
it is.
Drink a little bit, then they're happy.
Look, yeah, but what I mean is that in Asia, if you want to accommodate people, then you have to entertain them. Like a lot of entertainment, a lot of jokes and stuff. But in Europe, if you're making jokes, they don't take you much serious. They want facts. They want serious business. So the culture is total different. Okay, so back to business. I can see gold is coming down.
Let's make some money.
Gold is coming down. GN is pushing up. I can see on my phone. I can open it up also. GCAD is doing nothing, still retracing. GN, I'm on 5-minute time frame. So
well, it's definitely a little bit more positive than it was before. So I'm only $9 in loss right now.
I mean, we are still risking based on proper risk management.
Yeah.
The strategy is on point, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So again, if we hit the risk, we hit the stop loss. It's just bad day, but that's basically nothing. We come back tomorrow and we find new setups, because also we are not over leveraging here. We are not stacking up insane amount of lots. I mean, we are risking here in GN, we are risking roughly 19 pips. On GBP CAD, we are risking more pips, but smaller lot size. So in GCAD, we are risking 30 pips, but it's twice as less lots than we have in GN. And on gold, we have kind of the highest risk, because we are risking 20 pips, almost 30 pips, 30 pips. So, but yeah, again, gold, we entered basically from the 1 hour close. We would have got a better entry from a smaller time frame, for example, this fair value gap over here.
Okay.
But let's see. I'm still positive on gold as well. It had a massive push up, so it would be healthy to do some sort of a retracement back. And 15-minute also gave us another potential sales setup, basically. But yeah, let's see. Let's wait. And I think right now we are not taking any more trades. We already have 3 setups going, so we just let them run out. But in general, GBP pairs can take several hours until they hit the target. Yeah, GU, as you can see, is still ranging. The break off the range can happen either this session or it can go into New York. So maybe in New York it actually gives us a solid entry. GF doing also nothing. GA, yeah, I think that's it right now. We are kind of just waiting.
Waiting. And by the way, guys, if you don't want to wait, in here you should definitely come into the group. Also under the video there is a link. Join in the group, because in there also we're gonna get give updates. If in any case, like there is one guy in here who was commenting he goes back to work. If you also need to go back to work, or I don't know, massage your girlfriend or anything, you know, then just join the group. We're giving messages also in there if you go out of the trade. Antti is very active in there. And you can also ask any questions. This is how it is. And if you have any questions right now, or overall if you like the live as well, if you like what you see, you want to see us again, then like and subscribe, comment, do something to boost up a bit channel. What more we have, eventually the people who are gonna be here, we're gonna do it for a while, of course, but every vote and every like also counts when the channel is small. what more we have the people who are participating, the longer and better way we are able to do also these calls, and the more profitable for you. So eventually hand is washing another hand, or how they say, scratch your back and we are gonna scratch yours, or we are scratching already your back, but scratch also our back.
What is talking, Kent? What was the topic that you were talking? I didn't hear.
About scratching.
Scratching
6 people
back.
live right now, but by the way, it's actually going so much better. I was just looking the views as well, that we had like in the first live we had a lot of like bump in the beginning coming in, but we have a lot of like issues in the beginning, quality issues, and we don't find a very good streaming service. So I don't know if you guys also who is in here, if you ever try to do a stream over YouTube or any other channel, then it's pretty difficult task to do it in a high quality way. And now another challenge is to get like 2 faces or 2 different places, because me and Antty, we are living in different countries, and to get video also connected with a live call, besides the charts and everything, is it's pretty big hassle, and there is like some providers in between. YouTube itself, it does not provide any of these kind of services. So you need to like rely on third-party stuff, which is extremely bad, like really bad, I would say. These video ninjas and everything what we tried in the beginning was like total crap. Like I don't really recommend to use it for anybody, and I don't know why Google is recommending to use it, because the quality is just so ridiculous. So we found a solution that we're gonna do it through Google Meet and OBS if somebody's doing the stream or want to do the stream also. So now when the quality is a little bit better and where sections and everything is in place, and our time is actually starting the time when we plan to start, not half an hour later, then our views have been going up also. But we have done now 5 lives, I think 4 or 5 live calls only, and we have been rising.
Oh no, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, I think was the first week was 4 lives, and this week we have done 3 lives, so that's like 7 total.
I definitely don't have 7 recordings in here, because I have a replays 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 7 replays, yeah. So first replay we have views, but then second and third we have 29, then we have 9, 17, 9, 29 and 10. So yesterday's one in some reason was getting less, but more watch time. So it seems that more people were actually dedicated and stay inside. So that's a good metric. That's something what we need to get up. So watch time is better, and today definitely watch time is even better, because I can see we have constantly 5 to 10 people sitting inside, which is definitely like very good. So we have right now trades in GBP card is already becoming positive, but I'm still $9 in a loss. So I'm just showing also for you guys. Let me show webcam. So this is my status right now. So GBP CAD is already positive, and this is a sell order. We have GBP NCT, but you can also go inside. It was like very good before. We do a buy order with 0.1 lot and 2.29944 with the price. And right now it's in a minus. If it's in a minus for us and we stay in the trade, you can actually participate and you can make even more profit than us with the same trade size. And XAUSD or gold USD dollar, $6 in loss right now with a 0.01 lot size. And I went in 4109 into sell. Yeah, a little bit still in minus, but I think these are gonna turn around also soon. So we're gonna see. We are gonna see how it is. Transition.
I'm looking our GN stop loss right now.
Yeah.
It might be a little bit too tight because it's getting rejected from this previous high. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger, like 10 pips bigger. Let me see.
Pips bigger. I went yesterday for 8k run also. Did second time now. After 10k. Now this week already I had an 18, I think 18,000, 18 kilometers. I mean, 18,000.
That's good.
2 runs, yeah. I want to do now like 12, 13. Let's see the next length. Because yesterday also after 8.5, I was like, or 8, I think I did. I was not like really tired at all, just what? No. So after the 10k is like everything, everything is so like feels so less, because before I do like a max 5, like I do like 2.5, then I start doing 3. I do 3 for a month, and then it's like I did a longer run like 5, 6, and before I did 10 first time, and now it's like yesterday 8 was like, you know, not hard at all. I feel the knees in the morning, knees like totally feel, but the rest of the body is like okay. I'm thinking to go doing a leg day also today, maybe.
I think we need to move our stop loss into 29613.
29613. What happened with the rule that we never move stop loss?
No, because I'm looking this. It's kind of a place where it broke up, and our stop loss is right now 29726, which is basically it can come and stop us out exactly where it is right now, and then keep moving up, because I still believe that it's gonna move higher. 4 hours is moving pretty good.
So what you mean? What should be 7 what? 297 what?
I'm still looking. Wait.
Oh, okay.
So it's basically 29611 based on 1 hour bullish order block.
Okay, I will put it done. I will leave it alone. But you know, for the gold we definitely went in like way too early.
29611.
But now it's already for a while is growing. If I'm looking the 5-minute chart, it's like pretty.
You talk about gold?
Yes. But gold should have been like, I mean, gold is a sell for us. When I'm looking like a shorter time frame, it is kind of like gaining momentum upwards right now.
Yeah, I don't like the fact that it actually closed the 1 hour. It is about to engulf the previous one. That's not very good sign. But at the same time, 4 hours is also closing on CFD charts, which is pretty good. Yeah, it's just started to push up on 15 minutes, so.
Of course, like stop loss is pretty far for us, but
So we put
but it
the
doesn't
stop
look
loss.
like the best layout for us.
So stop loss is 30 pips, which is okay. I don't like the GN 1 hour closure the way how it is right now. Not very much. But at least GCAD is nice. It respected very well on the order block. On the 30-minute time frame, you can see on the screen as well. So that's good sign. But the only thing that is causing right now some issue is the gold trade. It's not coming down as it should be coming. So potentially it can go and retest the 30-minute order block. So let's see. But yeah, I think these 3 trades are our only setups that we take at least now. And 15 it gave by. So yesterday it actually did exactly the same thing. Look this. It took out this previous low. Then it retraced a little bit back up, and then it came all the way down. So that can be also a possibility today. It took out this low, kind of reversed instantly, now coming back higher, most likely into this area. And then going back down. So let's see.
So if there is new people who is watching right now, why we're silent is just because we're tired. We're already 2 hours in here. We're waiting our trades.
No, you are tired. I'm looking charts.
Okay. Let me rephrase what I said.
Kent is tired.
Kent is bored. I'm just looking charts. I cannot do any trades more anyway. Right now I'm waiting what is gonna be the setup. The gold right now for me is a little bit in a minus, so about $10 in a minus. So whoever wants to do a gold sell, right now is the right time. If you're looking for an entry, based on the analysis what we were doing before, and it seems to stand still. None of it, of course, is 100% by the way, but we have said it already many times before. GBP, NCD, we bought also with 0.1 lot size before with a price of 2.29944, but it is not profitable yet. So this is also, for me, it's $6 in minus right now. Yeah, otherwise doing good. And GBP, Canadian dollar, CAD is the only one what is in profit, but way less profit than in the beginning. So yeah, mine of course is like I have a small account right now to prove also the people that it's possible to do the trades with a very small account, and you can trade it up from there. You don't need to have thousands of dollars in the trading account just to like learn and to earn something. It's enough when you have like $200, $300 as well. That said, also we are right now starting a trading challenge on 1st, so 8 days from now in our channel. So if you want to go into the channel, then it is just down below in the video description. There is a Telegram channel you can join. It's totally free. We're starting the trading channel to trade every day together for 30 days in a row. The only thing what you need for that is a sharp mind and a trading account with some kind of deposit. Recommended minimum is $200, that you should put $200 on the account. Obviously it's your trading account. It is a very big broker, one of the biggest ones in the world, and very reliable, so your money is totally safe. You're gonna get extra traded credit also. If you put $200, you're gonna get extra $200 from there. Then you have $400 to trade with. Yeah, then we're gonna do that trading challenge, and let's see, after 30 days maybe the amount is gonna be $100 more, maybe it's gonna be $500 more, maybe it's gonna be $10,000 more. No, but $10,000 is not gonna be, but for sure you're gonna learn a little bit better how to make the trades also independently when we're not gonna be in live, and that's the whole purpose or the point of this. So yeah, let's share the good opportunities. If you want to create like trading as your second income source, or you want to have the extra expense on trading, it's your choice. Either you're gonna learn with somebody or you're just gonna burn your money. These kind of sessions what we are doing, by the way, there is a lot of traders who are doing this same thing what we are doing, but they're asking money for it. So you have a monthly subscriptions where you need to pay and watch exactly the charts, listen in the same way. Nothing is gonna change, and maybe the trades are, maybe they're not even that good. Today's results are not the best though. If I'm telling you honestly, it's about $20 in loss right now, which actually doesn't mean anything, so we are still in the middle of the trade, but would be better to see more green or blue. you can actually make a second screen for yourself, that when you're doing research and stuff, you can put also your orders, what is showing bigger than it's showing right now, that what did you buy and what is the status right now. Because when people are
what do you
coming
mean?
also, then they can see that one as well.
What do you mean?
Right now.
What do you mean? You mean showing the not just this dollar amount, but actually what assets we trade?
What assets exactly? But it's like let's say like a second screen.
I can't do it because my laptop screen is so small. This would mean that all the other apps need to be super small.
Okay.
Because on MetaTrader it goes the whole way from right to the left, you know.
Well.
I'm not very happy on the price action that GN is producing right now.
GN is doing shit right now. GBP is though okay. It's my friend right now. But eventually, it's like it's not so much about the price action for like well it is, but obviously we want to make a profitable trades as well. But what you're thinking? You want to go out?
I'm just looking right now. It actually got rejected from this previous high. And the 3 pips, it has already come down from the highest point. Which is not very good. Yeah, it's just melting. What was our entry? Our entry was X. Yeah. GFP CAD is very good. GJ dumping, GN coming down.
For the people also who are watching, it's always better when you have a little bit more liquidity on the account. So I don't have right now. I started with a very small account, and in order that we would not get liquidated, I'm not gonna take more trades right now. There is 3 trades open already, and 1 is positive, 2 are right now negative. If I would take another one, and then it would have a risk of like too much exposure, but from the other side, if you have a little bit more liquidity on the account, let's say if there would be $100 more, for example, in here, I could take another trade from the trades what I think that is gonna work. So for example, let's say if the gold right now, I went into the sale with 4109, I went inside and it is not yet profitable. So right now for me it's $13 in a minus, and GBP NZD in buy order is kind of the same, $13 in minus right now. So if I believe that this trade is gonna work, I could take a second order now, and to go in the same direction. So whenever this trade is gonna work, then I have actually double the profit, or actually the second one is gonna even make a 2 times more the profit. So at the moment when the price is gonna reach the 0 point or entry point where we went in, then one trade is already like $13 in profit, while the other one is still in
Yep.
zero, right?
Exactly.
And it is called cost dollar average, I think, yeah?
Dollar cost average.
Dollar cost
DCA.
average, DCA.
DCA.
Exactly. But if you have small account, then don't do that. Oh, I'm starting to get hungry. Weird stuff. When I was doing a fasting, I can do like 10 days only drinking water. And it was not so hard at all. Not as hard as it feels in the beginning. First 2 days is hard, but the rest is like kind of chill. But when you're not fasting, then being like 3-4 hours 3-4 hours without the food is already like, oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die.
Yeah, you need to get used to it. So, just checking in the GBP CAD trade. It's currently running 15 pips in profit.
Yeah. 15 bips in profit. And how much we want to get?
So I have it here. But wait. Yeah, GN. Let's see if it holds. By the way, GBP USD is also going down. What we were waiting for. Oh yeah, because 4-hour close like this, I didn't even see. I'm actually going to open GBP USD trade.
You're gonna open GBP USD trade. I cannot do that. So I'm not gonna take a fourth trade. But we're gonna see how you're gonna do.
GBP.
2 hours and 16 minutes we have been right now. I'm sitting in live. 3 orders in. Antty is gonna go for another one. Something happened with the internet for a moment. Antty.
What happened?
I don't know. You're moving too much your chart. Then your side is starting to lag.
Oh.
When you zoom in, zoom out fast, then it's like basically that's taking so much resource. That's crazy, huh? Wild stuff is this, that every model of a computer, what is coming out is always like whatever 2 times or 3 times more powerful than last year model. And we have been coming every year step by step. It's like for the most powerful and extremely powerful and these models. And when we do the video stream or when we load something in the computer, it still feels the same as 20 years ago.
Yeah, true. That is true.
Of course, now all this stuff is carrying so much more data. If you remember how the webcam video was like before, in 2010, it's like when you make a webcam some kind of meeting, then you see only squares.
Yeah, true.
So do your setup and talk also what you're doing.
So again, I opened GBP USD. Sell because 4-hour was closing very bearish. If I hide my stuff, you see it more clearly. Actually, we should have already entered a little bit before at 4-hour closure, but that's like 6 pips, so it's pretty much nothing. And we can potentially target the previous lows, that would be 16 to 25 pips, and actually even more if it managed to break this. Here is also most like trend line going on. Yeah, something like this. So we could potentially go even as low as this area over here. So that could be pretty long ride. 72 pips that we can target here. I think the buy setup is not valid anymore. And on GN 4-hour was pretty good closure, but got a little bit rejection right now. So let's hope that the 4-hour holds. 1 hour came back to test these weak areas where it broke through. It should not break it. If it does, then we are definitely going much more lower. So I hope the 30-minute and 1 hour holds. 15 minutes should push back up, back to our entry. Then it is kind of confirmed that we're gonna continue higher. On gold, it is coming to the 30-minute order block area, the higher one. Here was also previously one below it, but this had a bigger displacement, so this is more probable kind of setup. But again, we have been pushing up a lot, so I'm hoping to get the solid retracement back going into New York session. So that's why we are in the sells right now. But again, if this doesn't hold, then it will most likely consolidate here a few hours and then continue to break, exactly what it did yesterday over here. It made a very small retracement. That's like 360 pips, consolidated, and then made a breakout in Asia session actually. Yeah, exactly 8 a.m. Yeah, 8 a.m. it started to push, which was the open of Tokyo. So let's see how they play out.
Guys, if you have also any questions right now and you want to ask something, then you're free to ask as well. I don't know actually, Antti, should we right now continue with the live, or we just leave this setup in and we go to sleep?
I think we can just keep them running. I mean, the setups are already done. We don't do anything. So I think that is a wrap for this session.
I took some have, by the way, just quickly also, I don't have personally, I don't have take profits for GBP, CAD, for example, no take profit.
Okay, one sec.
So for everybody also who is in here and who is following the trades, we're gonna go out from the live because it's already 2.5 hours. But the trades are gonna ongoing, and entry for me GBP CAD, I'm gonna repeat it again, was 1.88533 was when I entered with the sale order. Right now it's a little bit in a profit. Trade is ongoing and stop loss is 1.888 18881, and the take profit, Antti, is
1 second. So which currency pair you were talking about?
GBP CAD.
So GBP CAD. So GBP CAD. Okay, it actually hit already the TP1. But basically, I'm targeting 1.88 213.
213. Modify. Okay, done. 213. Okay. GBP NCD, we went in with a buy order and 0.1 lot size with a price of 2.229944 was the entry. So right now this one is in loss, so if somebody wants to take the same trade, buy order in there. And I have stop loss 2.29611, and TP for GBP NCD is 2.30350.
Correct.
And then there is gold. This sad gold in here. This sad gold. Okay, so we went modify. I went in
on gold.
Yeah.
On gold, I would like to target 87.95.
87.
0.95.
1 second. That's so gold, by the way, is a sell order, and we went in with 4109. Stop loss is 4136, and take profit will be 40. You said 76, yeah? 86. 4086.
4086. No, wait. I already told you. 87.95.
87.95. Very precise numbers. Modify. Okay. So everything has a stop loss and everything has take profit. So I'm gonna show also mine. I'm gonna show also mine in the screen. So these are my orders. So this is what I do right now. And I hope you can see nicely. You can screenshot it if you want. And so these are the orders. This is what I went in with, and I'm gonna stick with it. If we are gonna go out of these trades early, then Antti is gonna text it in the group. And if you are in the group, you're also gonna get these messages. If you're not in the group, then then you're on your own. But I really recommend you to join also. This is Telegram group. You can put notifications on, and constantly when you get the signals, then you are able to also get the orders in. So anyway, come in there. All the information is there. Tomorrow we're gonna make another Zoom. If you are in the group also, you can be aware that there is New York session. Antti is probably active also that time. You are, right? Yeah, yesterday he sent me in the evening so many messages about like all these potential setups, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna trade anymore today. So yeah, for me this is like the only window what I'm doing. Yeah, if you want to be full-time trader, then there is a group. Cheers, Antti, thank you so much for coming. Let's yeah, if you want to say something, then maybe it's your time to say.
For everybody who came to listen or who's looking in the replay, we are trading live every day, same time, London session. So for us, it's for me it's 3 p.m. Philippine time, but in your time you can look in the Google when the London market starts.
Yeah.
But yeah, we are looking for quality setups. So right now I have four different trades. Kent has 3. and we are mainly trading GBP pair and gold actually mainly, but if gold has done a big push in the Asia, so in London it just might have a little bit weird price action, as you can see. So we are looking some alternatives, which is mainly GBP pairs, because they move quite well, and they so, and
one,
also
one more thing to remind you also, guys, that if you are in a group, then post your results also in the group. Either you got the positive or negative results, always in the end of the day, like practice it in. It helps everybody else as well, and this is gonna keep the group together. If you made the good results, good. If you made the bad results, well, then also you can still share, because we're here to improve. If you did like this live call and you want to see them more, put a thumbs up under the video. Leave a comment if you have 5 seconds extra. If you have another 5 seconds extra, put a subscribe. Then you're gonna get a notification also when the next live is gonna start. So we're gonna plan to do it for a while like this, and would be happy to have also your support. So thank you so much for coming, guys, in here. And 6 people still live right now. 2.5 hours, guys. I'm after after the struggles what we have had with the technology. I'm happy that today we got without any major hiccups already done. So maybe tomorrow is gonna be perfect. Okay.
Yep.
Right now, by the way, before we go, also last seconds, the trades have been becoming pretty positive, in between. Gold is going in the right direction right now, and the same is with GBP. NCD was starting to also go back to the direction where we want, so, or where we were expecting. Good. Cheers, Antty. Tomorrow same time. Don't sleep too
tomorrow
late.
same time. See you.
Ciao.
Ciao. All right, aga davai, vaatame, kuidas siis setup'id välja mängivad.